Alright, we're going for the minor. Mini, minor, major. Come on, super grand. Hit. Thank you. Hit. 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 Not bad. 130. 130, 125. Big wiener. And one spin for the heck of it. 880 bet. $24. Need a full screen. Okay, one free game. $36. One more. There we go. 40 bucks. 3 games. Come on, red. Of course. 8? Are you freaking serious? 8. Alright, good win. 221. Alright, we're at $1 denom. We need anything but the mini. Anything but the mini. I don't even know what that one is. That one's the grand, so yeah. Come on, blue. This one. Need this. Okay, good. Alright, anything but the minor. Come on. Please, please, please. Oh, that's gonna be the minor. Anything but the minor, please, please, please. So close. Yeah. Alright, and we got a bonus. Ultra feature. Come on, horsey. $72. It's counting so freaking slow. Come on, full screen. Horsey. $8 red. Alright, let's get free games. How much did that pay? Big wiener, 96. Okay. Come on, horsey. Oh, that sucked. Come on, red. $8? Come on. Last spin. We need more free games, please. Or don't. Alright. Great hit. I mean, I can't not like that. $1,083. 50 cent denom. $12.50 back. 2 times. That's all we're looking for. We got 9s for $200. Alright, let's get another 2 times right there and line them up. More than one line would be nice. All right, come on. Three. One more. 12 more. Wild. That's not bad. I think it's about 100 and I don't know. Good win. About 400 bucks. 500 $500. Great one. This was 3 spins after that $500 bonus. $625. 125. All right, hit any of those, I would be happy. Come on, baby. Hit. Come on, big numbers. Big. Anything with a word. Word. Oh, that's a good one. Let's hit 2 more. Hit. It's gonna switch right there. Hit. Great win. Especially within like 3 spins of each other. I wish I would have said 15 and not 13 collected. Ching ching. That's a beautiful 1125. Mini boom, baby. Amazing. Keep it going. $5. 75 for the scatter. Let's see what else we can get. Orbs. 1 more. Or 4 more. Another $75. Nothing. Orbs. Nope. Wilds. Come on, full screen. 2. Come on, doors. Notch up. Orbs. And last spin. Orbs. Well, good thing I got the 2 retriggers, or 1 retrigger. Paid 150 each, or 75 each. But not bad.
Where's Docker?
15. We ain't gonna take it, but let's try again. 40. You take 35 and over. Let's play take offer. So we're gonna take offer. I'm a winner, it says. How lucky am I being a winner? Back to back. Nope. Got a bonus betting $6. Come on, blue. 11 or more. Worst one. Retrigger. You. 1 more, please. Yes. All right, here we go. 8 more, so 16 multiplier. Let's do another retrigger, please. 720 on that one. playing $6.05 denom. I don't know if I said that or not. 5 wilds, please. Or 5 bonus. Either way. $18. Ah. Come on, match up. All right, no wasted spins right here. None at all. 16, 20. Come on, 5 of a kind. No wasted spins. Yeah, right. 36. No. Come on, 5 of a kind. Any 5 of a kind. Where are the wilds? Last spin. Retrigger. Queen. Oh, a retrigger. Holy crap. That's a $336 retrigger. Come on, wilds. $40 on that one. Come on, please. 5 of a kind anywhere. Anything. Retrigger. Come on, stop wasting the spins. No. Queens, $200 almost. I mean, amazing win, but I'm so sad. 730 plus, so 750, 80. All right, great win.